This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Here's the latest in all things mobility. Drones, not just a tool for the government to spy on you anymore, but helping critically ill patients. In the early morning of April 19th, a drone landed at a Baltimore hospital carrying some very precious cargo, a donor kidney. The recipient had been waiting on dialysis for 8 years. This world-changing stunt was a University of Maryland project years in the making. The flight was actually only a test, but the 10-minute delivery proved that drones are the Usain Bolt of carrier services. Obviously, the soulless airborne couriers can bypass traffic holdups, all but guaranteeing a speedy delivery. The drone was a custom-built autonomous aircraft with a lot of safety tech. There were cameras, communication devices, backup batteries, a parachute, and a kidney inside its comically oversized housing. That's a lot of extra weight to get airborne. No wonder it took the researchers 3 years to figure it out. The one question I had researching this story, where did the kidney come from? No one is talking about that. I mean, I get all that like HIPAA law and everything, but I'm just kind of shocked no one's wondering who's missing a kidney right now. But hey, it's all in the name of science, right? Turning to car news, automaker Karma is back with a wild new concept. Called the SC1 Vision, this curvaceous coupe shows Karma's future design direction and their move towards electrification. This shouldn't come as a surprise, considering Karma has reinvented itself more times than Lady Gaga. I mean, didn't they used to go by the name Fisker? The electric SC1 is even more dramatic. Giant scissor doors reveal a cabin loaded with tech. Forget using a key, the SC1 uses facial recognition, biometric identification, and active eye scanning. That is super cool until you watch the movie Christine. Built to look like a fighter jet, the SC1 definitely looks like it could take flight at a moment's notice. Fun fact, every Karma emblem is hand-painted by an artist in Hawaii. Not so fun fact, Hawaii has an awful homeless problem. Rideshare for the kiddies. You need a ride? You might use Uber or Lyft, but if you have a child with you, then you have to worry about bringing along a heavy car seat. Until now. Kidmoto is a rideshare company that focuses on the needs of the family. Starting back in 2016 in New York City, Kidmoto uses vehicles already equipped with car seats for infants, toddlers, and older kids. The service has expanded into the DC market as well and offers a choice between a sedan, minivan, or SUV. Hooray! You can leave the car seat at home. Just don't forget the snacks, or diapers, or wipes, or toys, or your child. That's all we got for you today, folks. More tech news awaits at ride.tech, and be sure to follow us at Ride Tech News on your social platform of choice.